What if I told you that the life you've always dreamed of, where you're in control of your time, your income, and your freedom, could be just one bold decision away? Imagine waking up every morning, not to an alarm clock, but to a life you created. No more grinding away in a 9 to 5, no more feeling stuck. 2025 is packed with untapped business opportunities that could unlock the personal freedom you've always wanted. The question is, are you ready to take the leap before everyone else does? For most people, the 9 to 5 grind is the norm. You wake up, work for someone else's dreams, and go to bed just to repeat it all over again. It's a cycle many accept without realizing the cost. Your time, your energy, and your potential are being drained. But here's the hard truth, you're not meant to be stuck in that routine forever. The world is changing fast, and more people are waking up to the fact that they have the power to break free. 2025 offers a chance to escape the rat race. But only if you're ready to make a move. 2025 is a year of change, where technology, mindset shifts, and new business models are reshaping everything. The rise of artificial intelligence, remote work, and digital nomadism is opening up a world of untapped business opportunities. We're moving away from the traditional office job and embracing a future where creativity, flexibility, and freedom rule. People are no longer waiting for permission to live life on their terms. The question is, are you ready to step into this shift and create something for yourself? The businesses of the future aren't just profitable, they're life-changing. One of the biggest shifts in 2025 is the demand for digital skills. From online education to AI tools, businesses and individuals alike are looking for experts who can teach or manage these skills. If you have experience with social media marketing, graphic design, coding, or even AI-based tools, there's a massive untapped market waiting for you. You don't need a huge budget to start, just a laptop and some time to build your personal brand. People are actively seeking coaches, consultants, and online courses, and the demand is only going to increase. This is your chance to become the go-to expert in a field that's growing at lightning speed. In 2025, consumers want more than just a product, they want a story. Starting an e-commerce business that taps into niche markets, such as sustainable products, ethical fashion, or personalized experiences, can offer you a fulfilling business model. The key is to build a brand that aligns with your values and resonates with your target audience. It's not just about selling, it's about creating a movement. Thanks to platforms like Shopify and Etsy, you can set up shop with minimal investment and start reaching customers worldwide. This isn't just about profit, it's about creating something meaningful that gives you both financial freedom and a sense of purpose. Subscription businesses are booming, and 2025 is the perfect time to tap into this model. Whether it's a subscription box for niche hobbies, digital content, or even exclusive memberships for your own expertise, this business model offers consistent, recurring revenue. People are willing to pay for convenience, exclusivity, and personalized experiences. Plus, the power of automation allows you to run a subscription business on autopilot. With platforms like Patreon, Substack, or even creating your own website, you can offer valuable content or products regularly, building a community while earning on your terms. Low investment, high return, it's a win-win for freedom seekers. Let's look at some real people who turned these ideas into reality. Take Sarah, for example. She started an online course teaching digital marketing skills with just a laptop and a small budget. Fast forward 12 months, and her courses are now generating a six-figure income. Or think of Jason, who launched a sustainable e-commerce brand with a passion for eco-friendly products. His subscription-based service now ships worldwide, and his customer base grows every day. These success stories aren't rare, they're happening right now. If they can do it, so can you. The difference between success and staying stuck is taking that first step. The truth is, there's no better time than now. The opportunities are right in front of you, and 2025 is waiting for those bold enough to act. But success doesn't come to those who wait, it comes to those who take action. Whether it's building your digital skill set, starting your own e-commerce store, or creating a subscription service, the road to personal freedom starts with a single step. Don't let fear or doubt hold you back. Take that step today. Your future self will thank you for it. If this video sparked something inside you, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more business ideas and strategies to create the life you deserve. We've only scratched the surface. There are countless opportunities out there, and I'm here to help you uncover them. Stick around, because the best is yet to come. Let's make 2025 your year of freedom.